Hello, we are going to be making a chocolate Bundt cake this morning with a lovely chocolate ganache with my daughter-in-law. Join me, shall you? Let's spray our lovely Bundt pan. Woohoo. Am I doing enough on there?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, there's a cloud. Oh wait, I do have some if we need some. Oh, mama. Making. Okay.
Bowl. You'll just pour the hot water.
Don't talk to my
Pour the hot water.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm pouring this in here.
Yeah. And then you'll whisk it until well combined.
Probably should have just added a little bit and then added more as I went, but
Oh, you're good. This is what I do. I just do
the whole thing.
thing too. Now we wait until the cocoa's boiling.
So blooming for 10 minutes. This blooming chocolate. Flour. So all the flour in here, dump it.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the sugar.
Dump all of it.
And baking soda.
So baking soda. Salt.
And then you'll whisk that all together until should have set a timer.
Okay. So I'm adding sour cream.
All of that.
Okay. And all the sour cream. Did you get this from a website? Is this from the Sally's Baking Addiction?
This is actually from Peppy Kitchen, but I've made it a few times for like church or the family, my other family.
Do I mix after each edition?
You'll mix after all of it's combined.
Oh.
So all of it's in there.
Oh heavens, I'm gonna need a spoon. I'm gonna make a mess.
I know it is kind of a.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need a different bowl. Okay. Oil.
Yeah, 4 eggs will bulk it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I looked at the bowl. I was like, I'm not sure I could. But it might.
It might be
Little bowl
okay.
that
We're gonna
could.
find out.
Yeah.
Do 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 do.
It does look a little weird right now.
See what it normally looks like?
I think from my angle, it just looks like there's water on top.
That's what I'm seeing. So I'm not sure. Is it? I don't think
Maybe
I'm
it's the
stirring
eggs.
enough.
Maybe it's because I'm typically do it with eggs in there.
Well, also, it's not. I may not have it mixed up real good yet.
Yeah, I think it'll be all right.
Okay. Do you think I should add the eggs? Because I think it might be
We
okay.
can try it. Yeah.
Let's see what happens. I'm game. Do you want to be fancy? Okay, 1 egg at a time.
That's what I do because I'm a scaredy cat. Not a scaredy cat.
Oh, I did it.
Hey.
Okay, 1 egg, 2 eggs. If I can do it more than once.
Excellent. Beautiful.
Three times. Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever made that record.
With delicacy.
I
Think you
know.
can do it. You're doing great.
See, do I see any egg yolks coming my way when I stir it? I don't see any. Do you see any on your side?
I do not.
Okay.
Nope.
All right, so now we're adding this to the flour
Yep. Add to the flour mixture.
without spilling. This is the real test.
Yeah, it's so hard.
I forgot Henry was over there, the dog. I was like, okay, all at once.
Yes.
And am I stirring with a whisk?
You'll fold it.
Okay, so I need a spatula.
Yeah. And it typically does bubble like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think there's probably air in the flour, so it's air bubbles. Probably, I'm guessing. I don't really know. So just until it combines?
Yeah, just until no streaks.
I started to mix. This is the problem with folding for me, is I forget and I start to mix it. And then it goes in the pan after that?
Yes. Yeah, you can mix it. Yeah. I guess it says pour and then stir. So
Okay.
whichever.
Looks pretty good to me. I don't see any white. Nope,
Looks
no
great.
streaks. That is what's nice about a glass bowl. You can actually see it. It smells so good.
Does.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. This might be above my 30-pound weight limit. And then we do this?
Yep. And then it will go in for at 350 for 55 minutes.
Hit the camera, do my skill. Ta-da! That's way too close. It's fogging up the camera.
Oh, is it?
It's all good. Put this in there. Tablespoon of butter. The recipe says to let it sit there. It's not my strong suit. 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit there for a couple minutes because that's how much patience I have. Would you like me to sing a song during this time? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. That's all I have. No, I have more, but I'll spare you. Not sure if it's been a couple minutes, but I'm going in. Chocolate chips are nice and soft. We're just gonna stir until it becomes a nice chocolatey, silky mess. Not a mess, goodness, goodness. A lovely ganache, see that right there? It's happening. The key element here is that the milk is only 7 tablespoons, not 7 ounces. There we go, almost done. Oh yeah, that's right, that's good. Okay, perfect. Just adding a little more on top. There we are. Thank you for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you. Like, share, and subscribe.